Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, the 13th of March, 2019, right at 9:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I'm definitely late. Big morning, a lot going on. As you take a look at the stock indices, all higher. Even Boeing getting a little bit of a bounce today, so that's helping the Dow come back. You know, I don't know how many days in a row, but Boeing's taken a terrible beating on this news. The dollar index dropping as most currencies rallying against the market, and even the yen is down a little bit, which means safe haven buying isn't on people's mind. With that, you're getting a little bit of a retracement of the rally that you saw yesterday in the bonds and the notes. Energy prices strong as can be. Now, for those of you that are paying attention to gasoline, I don't write anymore. I'm trying to do reports in videos because I think this format's so much better. And I'm doing my video reports without me in them. So I take my computer, I'm showing you seasonals, giving you an idea of where they're at. Go to our website, www.iraepstein.com. Under the word education, you're going to see the special video report. That is where you can view it. It only stays up 3 to 5 days, and then I take them down. But I did one on this market, the gasoline. As you can see in the grain market, what went up yesterday, especially the wheat, a dramatic price rise, right back down today. I wish I could explain to you why it even popped the way that it did. I can't. Maybe the market just got too oversold. In today's data, the producer price index came out and the final demand was up 0.1. The market expected up 0.2. That's actually good for the market. It keeps the Fed at bay. Prices aren't picking up that inflation. Ex-food and energy up 0.1. They expected it up 0.2. Another miss there. And February consumption, well, the consumer's still there. He spent not a lot more, but up 0.1. The durable goods came in up 0.4. They expected it down 0.6. So those bigger items, they're being bought. Ex-transportation down 0.1. Prior was up 0.1. I don't know that it matters that much there. You still have an increase in the preliminary durable goods ex-defense. And they took December's number and increased it 0.1. So we've got our consumer there. For January industrial production in the EU, it rose 1.4% for the prior month. That was better than the look for just a 1% rise. And on a year-over-year basis, the industrial output was off 1.1% compared to expectations. And this is important for a 2.5% decline. So the question is, in Europe, are things starting to stabilize at a bad level, but stabilizing at a level, and I think that's what the trade is looking for. So when you put it all together, should be fun for tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Well, if we consider what I'm talking about, let me get to this. There you are. I'm having my live webinar tomorrow. And in that webinar, you're going to get a chance to ask questions about markets. What do we do? You bring that, and that's what makes it work. If you're just looking for a lecture, don't come. Come with your questions, come with some fun there. We're really filling up. So if you haven't gotten an invite from me, you're probably not going to get one. The way to get it is to call my staff and get it sent out to you. 866-973-2077. It is free. It starts at 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Thursday, ends typically between 1 and 1:15 in the afternoon. And the whole idea is you bring your questions, I do my best to answer them. With that, I'm Ira Epstein. Remember that special report that I put out? They're now videos under the word education on our website at www.iraepstein.com.